Welcome to the Fab 4's Open Fender Installation Guide video series for the 2019 and 2020 Ram 25 and 3500. In this video we will go over the template mounting and cutting process for the rocker channel and body mount of the cab. The Open Fender system is for professional installation only. Careless installation and/or operation can result in serious injury, death, and/or equipment damage. All liability for installation and use rests with the user or consumer. Start by applying the DS-BRKT1 template to the front inner structure tubing. Align the U-shaped cutout outlined with the blue dashed line on the template to the oval hole stamped in the vehicle. Next, apply the DS-CAB1 template to the outside of the driver's side rocker channel. Start by aligning the two notches in the bottom of the template with the two holes in the pinch weld. Then, work the template upwards, aligning the blue dashed line with the front profile of the rocker channel. Now apply the DS-CAB2 template to the front face of the rocker channel. Start by aligning the oval cutout in the template with the oval hole in the rocker channel. Then, work the template up the rocker channel, aligning the blue dashed line with the corner of the outer edge of the rocker channel. Apply the DS-CAB3 template to the inboard side of the rocker channel using the slotted cutout in the template to align with the slotted hole in the rocker channel. Apply the DS-CAB4 template to the driver's side body mount on the frame by aligning the blue dashed line profile with the outer edge of the body mount. Now apply the DS-CAB5 template to the inboard side of the rocker channel above the DS-CAB3 template. Align the blue dashed line with the front edge of the rocker channel. Using a Sharpie, mark a straight line on the outside of the rocker channel that connects the red dashed lines of the template. With the templates installed, you are now ready to begin the cutting process. Using a 3/8 drill bit, make a hole in the indicated location on the DS-BRKT1 template. When finished drilling, remove the template. Cut upward along the red dashed line of the DS-CAB1 template and previously made Sharpie line until you reach the horizontal red dashed line. Next, using a small reciprocating saw to cut up along the red dashed line on DS-CAB1 and continuing onto the horizontal red dashed line at the top of the DS-CAB2 template. Then cut up along the vertical dashed red line of the DS-CAB2 template to remove the rocker channel corner. Cut the DS-CAB5 template into small sections horizontally. Make sure that you do not cut past the red dashed line. Now cut upward along the red dashed line of DSCAB5, connecting the end of all the cuts made previously. Next, cut along the red dashed line of the DSCAB4 template. Make sure the body control harness is clear of the area before cutting. Switch to a small cutting wheel and remove the second layer from the outside of the rocker channel to allow clearance for the provided rocker channel cover plate. Using a flap disc wheel or an angle grinder, remove any sharp edges created from the previous cutting operations. After all the cuts have been made, use the provided rust trap coating and paintbrush to apply a liberal amount of paint to the bare metal created during cutting.